Okay, so the last light we're using is we're going to use hanging light. These are one of my more favorite lights. We'll often use these sometimes in trees and hang them from branches, and we'll usually have a light from below that lights up the trunk, and then we'll hang these in the tree that kind of lights the foliage, and if there's some nice ground cover around. Another area I like using this is in a pergola like we have here. We're actually going to be hanging 3 of these up from the pergola. A lot of people will have lights sometimes in their pergola. The reason I like using this is because it's a lot softer ambient light. It's something that you're not trying to light up everything. You're just trying to create a little bit of an atmosphere. We got a fire pit just behind us too, so we don't want too much light. So that's why this is going to be a great light. We're just going to kind of line 3 of them up staggered in this pergola, and we're just going to snake the wire up kind of behind in the back where nobody's going to see it, over top, make our connections up there, and just have these lights hanging down and cast some nice ambient light on that. So that's the 4th light that we're using on this property. Again, we've got almost 60 lights on this property. We could put 100, but we don't want to overwhelm it. We want to start smaller. We can always add on more if the homeowner decides down the road, but we're going to start with roughly 50 to 60 lights and create some really cool effects. But even out of those 50 and 60, we're really only sticking to 4 of our main fixtures because we can do so much with just those.